aabangan. The biggest change in my life right now is, my wife and I co-own a talent management, digital marketing agency called Nima. And kung mentor ako sa The Clash as a judge, and still, thank God, I have now a responsibility also to do my best to raise new talents. And it's a big responsibility, and I'm so thankful for my wife. She's amazing. She's so smart and driven as well, and the whole team ng Nima na talaga. We're doing our best as a startup, as a small company in this big entertainment world.
What particular talents are you?
Right now we have a few already, pero our biggest success right now is our Lumpia Queen, Abby Marquez. And talagang she's just winning awards all over the place. And she's such a gentle soul as well, and very, very talented. So, on the other hand naman, sa The Clash, I'm just so excited to meet the new contestants again and to do my best to share the realities of the music industry.
Any particular traits sa mga performers or singers na you would like to manage?
Any particular
Traits.
trait? Sana sa simula mabait. And then willing to work with you, willing to believe in you as well. Na some days there will be good days, some days there will be hard days. Pero if you're really hardworking, clear head, and even if it's hard sometimes, meron tayong maabot together. And we always hope for the best for every outcome, whatever that best is to you.
And then once in a while, nakikita kita na nag-act din. You've done series recently lang sa Netflix, yung How to Ship. So how was it? Ano yung mga reason why are you selected with this special acting?
Marami kasing singing projects for now. And maraming out of town as well. So it depends May seasons na singing season, acting season. I can't wait to go back sa musical theater again because I missed that. So if there's a role din na bagay, I would love to do one again. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon po.
Yes, sa May 12 po, pinapangako ko.
Yung question lang, siguro natanong na before, why Kapuso? Why loyal sa Kapuso?
Man, for 12 years, I have been given so many opportunities here and abroad dito sa GMA. So many concerts, so much love also. And I love also to work with my bosses, the teams, the artists as well. Na gaan and ang sarap nila katrabaho. Para kaming team talaga, teammates talaga kami together. And we're always looking for the best ways to build each other up.
Your message naman po for your fans.